Hello and welcome to my presentation of Derivative Trading, the True Wall Street Casino. Today we will talk about trading options on the stock market and the wild swings of profit and loss associated with this type of trading. Today we will learn a basic understanding of this not so well known style of trading called options trading. Trading options on the stock market provides a high amount of risk but equally high rewards. Have you ever considered how some individuals have made large amounts of money on the stock market in a short period of time? While some of the trading involved may just be stocks, trading options is often involved as well. Individuals describing large profits in a short period of time can leverage larger gains because of the advantages options give them. Over the course of 3.5 years, I have been gaining valuable information and experience. I've been trading on the stock market for 3 years and trading options for 2 of those. Trading derivatives requires not only experience in the stock market trading, but also understanding how options work. There are countless articles describing individuals who lost thousands using this method of trading. If someone wants to try out trading derivatives, then they need to gain experience along with researching profitable methods. I want to share my experience and some basic information on option trading. Today we will talk about 3 main points. We will talk about options trading, we will talk about risk involved, and we will talk about how you can get started trading on the stock market. So let's begin with, what is options trading? Options trading is trading financial derivatives that correlate to the current prices of the security's price. When trading options, you are trading contracts that increase or decrease in price directly related to the stock's price. Options trading is a complex way that the contracts are priced based on, quote, the Greeks, end quote, which is, quote, the Greeks as a term used in the options market to describe the different dimensions of risk involved in taking an options position either in a particular option or a portfolio of options, end quote. The basic contracts that you can purchase is a call or put. A call in simpler terms means that you expect the price of a stock to increase or you are bullish on an increase in the price of a security. A put in simpler terms means that you expect the price of an underlying stock to decrease or you are bearish on a decrease in the price of the security. These contracts vary in price daily because of the risk or decline of a security on the market for the day. Now that we have talked about options trading, let's talk about the risks of trading options. Options trading comes with very high risks that complement the high rewards that you can receive from trading them. First and foremost, quote, options are often expire worthless, resulting in a total loss of whatever the buyer paid for the option, end quote. Trading options directly relate to the price of a security, so this means that if you bought a call on stock XYZ and it drops 5%, then you will lose a significant amount of your contract's value. In the same way, if you bought a put on a stock XYZ and it drops 5%, then you will profit a significant amount of your stock's value. These risks means that there are very few investors that would even consider to touch them. However, online communities such as Reddit show that people will risk thousands of dollars on a hunch about a stock and the direction of its price. These communities spread even further than Reddit, as there are many online forums that have live posts from users about what their next move will be based on speculation. While these risk takers make daily posts about their next option they will trade, this type of trading is readily available to those who seek it. Now that we have talked about what is options trading and the risks of trading options, let's talk about how can you get started trading on the stock market. To get started on trading on the stock market, you are going to need some documents and information about yourself. Quote, you must provide your social security number so earnings can be reported to the Internal Revenue Service. You will need a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Because brokers typically provide investing advice, they need to know your employment, situation, income, net worth, and investment goals, end quote. These basic documents are required by the government for taxing purposes and to discourage illegal activity. Quote, in addition, under the USA Patriot Act of 2001, financial institutions may use your social security number to verify your identity when opening a brokerage account in order to prevent money laundering and terrorist financing, end quote. While you gather this information, you will want to find a broker with low commissions on trades, and if you don't have a lot to deposit, there are brokers that have no minimums to open an account. Robinhood is a broker that allows stock and derivative trading along with other complicated forms of trading. Robinhood doesn't require a minimum balance and offers no fees when you trade. While Robinhood is great for beginners, other brokerages such as TD Ameritrade and Fidelity will offer more features should you want more in-depth analysis of the trading. These brokerages will have more fees and require higher minimums to open your account, but they will offer a vast library of knowledge and tools available for trading. Now that we have explored options trading, let's recap the main points. We have talked about 3 main points. We have talked about options trading, we have talked about risk involved, and we have talked about how you can get started trading on the stock market. Trading options on the stock market provides a high amount of risk, but equally high rewards. Trading options on the stock market is very risky, and any information you have learned today is just the tip of an iceberg. I am not a financial consultant, so please research further before you dive into this risky part of trading. Hopefully you have learned something today that can further your interest investing in the stock market. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading.